About Tesla, one thing is for sure: this company always tries to amaze and change the world. At its AI Day in 2021, Tesla unveiled its Dojo supercomputer technology, but the company was still ramping up its effort at the time. Recently, in 2022, the company unveiled the progress made with the Dojo program. This new version of the Dojo computer is so powerful that it tripped the power grid. Isn't it amazing? That's why, in today's video, we're going to share with you all the specifications of the most powerful quantum computer in the world right now. But before we get to the cool stuff, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, so you never miss our daily dose of informational, inspiring, and educational videos. Now, let's get started. Quantum computing could be the beast of the future, as it will make computers faster than our current ones. Soon this technology will be used for computers to help with huge, complex problems that normally take a usual computer day, weeks, or even months to solve. With quantum computers, all types of work could be done in a fraction of the time it would take with a conventional computer. There are mixed reviews about quantum computing. According to some experts, quantum computing won't be ready for another decade or so, while some experts are predicting that by 2023, quantum computers may have some advantages compared to the computers of today. Maybe that's the reason why Elon Musk's Tesla has been indulged in this project. At its AI Day, Tesla claimed that it has ultimately developed the fastest AI training machine in the world. Over the last 2 years, the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, has been teasing the development of Tesla's own supercomputer called Dojo. Dojo is Tesla's own custom supercomputer platform built from the ground up for AI machine learning, and more specifically, for video training using the video data coming from its fleet of vehicles. In 2021, Musk even teased that Tesla's Dojo would have a capacity of over an exaflop, which is 1 quintillion floating point operations per second, or 1,000 petaflops, which is huge. This capacity of the Dojo computer could potentially make it the new most powerful Tesla computer in the world. Last year, Tesla finally unveiled the next version of the Dojo computer, starting by revealing Dojo's D1 chip, which is using 7-nanometer technology and delivers breakthrough bandwidth and computer performance. This is the second chip designed by the Tesla team internally after the full self-driving or FSD chip, found in the FSD computer hardware 3 in Tesla cars. That day, Tesla claimed to have achieved a significant breakthrough in chip bandwidth. The automaker designed the chip to seamlessly connect without any glue to each other. The company took advantage of that by connecting 500,000 nodes together, which adds the interface power and thermal management, resulting in a 9 pflops training tile with 36 terabyte per second of bandwidth in a less than 1 cubic foot format. According to Tesla, it can combine 2 x3 tiles in a tray and 2 trays in a computer cabinet for over 100 pflops per cabinet. But with their incredible bandwidth, the automaker can link those all together to create the Exapod, consisting of 10 cabinets. In a 10-cabinet system, Tesla's Dojo Exapod will break the barrier of the exaflop of supercomputers, something that supercomputer makers have been trying to achieve for a long time. Although the company has not combined that system, Elon Musk is hopeful that they will do so this year. This would help Dojo become the fastest AI training computer in the world, while being power efficient and in a relatively small format for a supercomputer. The way Dojo works diverges a lot from either GPU-based or CPU-based supercomputers. The Dojo computer is made up of tiles, which take a different approach to regular computer GPUs or CPUs. A CPU integrates multiple processing cores into one chip, each one capable of performing complex software operations at high frequency. But currently, CPU designs only combine up to a maximum of 64 cores each for a mainstream CPU, with a node offering a maximum of 2 CPUs and 128 cores. A CPU-based supercomputer will cluster lots of these nodes into one system. The company now plans to use this new supercomputer to train its own neural networks for developing self-driving technology. In one of his tweets, Elon Musk said that Dojo uses our own chips and a computer architecture optimized for neural net training, not a GPU cluster, and shared that Dojo will be available as a web service for model training once we work out the bugs. In another tweet, the billionaire stated that could be wrong, but I think it will be best in the world. But as of now, Tesla is content to tell the world that it is investing heavily in high-performance computing and that the investments are only increasing. Tesla's head of AI, Andrej Karpathy, said the high-performance computing team is expanding a lot. It has also encouraged audience members who were interested in self-driving cars to contact the company. According to experts, when this level of processing becomes fully available, focused on crunching through the training of Tesla's SAT models, it will massively accelerate the development of autonomous vehicles. There are now 160,000 Tesla drivers participating in the FSD beta, collecting real-world driving data. With Dojo Exapods using this data to build new models and new systems rolling out to the 160,000 users, a virtuous circle will develop, and more testers are likely to be enlisted, further accelerating development. The most significant emerging capability for any type of vehicle is autonomy, and this is primarily a software problem. The Tesla beta of its FSD has met controversy as a giant experiment that makes the general public its guinea pigs. But just as human beings can't learn to drive without some practice on real roads, self-driving cars need to encounter real-world situations to develop strategies for handling them. Companies developing autonomous driving systems can accelerate this process by generating realistic world simulations and testing models against that. But to make FSD work, it needs to be tested against the mess of real-world situations, and then its strategies improved to cope. Thinking of the Dojo Computer, many people are surprised that Tesla needs to develop a supercomputer while it is an electric car company. First, Tesla is a technology company developing products to accelerate the transition to a sustainable economy. Secondly, Tesla needs Dojo to auto-label training videos from its fleet and train its neural nets to build its self-driving system. The automaker realized that its approach to developing a self-driving system using neural net training on millions of videos coming from its customer fleet requires a lot of computing power, so it decided to develop its own supercomputer to deliver that power. However, Elon Musk says that Tesla is offering a Dojo supercomputer as a service, perhaps to take on his buddy Jeff Bezos at Amazon AWS, and calling it a service that you can use that is available online where you can train your models way faster and for less money. Inspired by Tesla, some private companies have started manufacturing laptops named Tesla laptops. Many people are confused between the most powerful Tesla computer and the Tesla laptop, so here's the answer. Tesla has undoubtedly stepped into the world of computers and unveiled the most powerful supercomputer Dojo, which will be used for video training using the video data coming from its fleet of vehicles. But the company has not launched any laptops officially for daily use. So don't get confused and invest in such laptops if you believe that Elon Musk has used his brain in their manufacture. Talking about the Dojo Computer, it seems like Dojo has not completely impressed all people as there are controversies about this project. Some experts suggest that to call Dojo a full-fledged supercomputer is a bit generous, though its potential performance limits have yet to be tested. According to the Gartner Research Vice President Churik Dekete, Dojo's reported capabilities don't grant it true high-performance computer status, largely because it hasn't been tested using the same standards as other supercomputers. He further said, for the most part, HPC applications rely on higher-order precision than the ones supported by Dojo, which is more designed for extreme-scale deep learning and machine learning tasks. Comparing Dojo to other AI chips in the ecosystem, the only one that's on the same sort of scale is Cerebras, and one might argue that Cerebras is going even more in that direction. While Dojo's traditional individual unit is the D1 chip and we get 25 per tile, Cerebras just uses one big wafer-sized chip. So calling Dojo a supercomputer and claiming it will break the exaflop barrier may be a more difficult sell when everyone else is rating their systems using standards that are twice as complicated. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to share it with your friends. Also, please check out other videos on our channel as well. Thanks for watching.